Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on counting the occurrence of each letter in a file. In a text file, we're going to read all the characters and look if the character is a letter, and we're going to count how many A's, how many B's, how many C's. For this program, we're going to read each line from the file. So it may be a very large file, so we're going to read one line at a time. And then we will convert all the letters into lowercase. So this is the count is case insensitive. The uppercase A and lowercase was counted as the same. And we created a list named counts that has 26 values, each of which counts the occurrences of a letter. So that's counts bracket 0 counts the number of times A appears, counts brackets 1 counts the number of times B appears, and so on. The last one is counts brackets 25, that counts the number of times Z appears. For each character in the string, determine whether it's a lowercase letter. If so, incrementing the corresponding count in the list. So finally we display it. So here's the program. We're going to prompt the user for the input file, and now we're going to open it using open file name with the read mode. This is to create a list with all the initial value 0, 26 elements. And now for this, for line in input file, so this is every line in the input file, convert it to lowercase and invoke count letters to count it. So the count letters will look at every character. So this character here, if it is a letter, so you can use this number width to do this testing. Is you can use this is alpha. So is alpha, because we already converted everything into lowercase. So if it's alpha, so we're going to do this. The ASCII code. So this is the order. We get the ASCII code of the character, and this is the order. A is the ASCII code of A. So this is difference. That is the index here. If this CH is A, so the index 0. If this CH is Z, the index 25. So that is, we're going to increase the count by 1. And now we're going to, after you get everything here, the counts here. So this is the counts. Now you have it. And now you're going to come to this display it. So for I, so this is in the range. So this is the how many. This is 26 from 0 to 25. If this counts brackets I is not 0, we're going to print this. So how are we going to print it? So we're going to print this. This is the, for this ASCII code of A plus I, and return the character appears. So this is how many times. So this is the numeric number converted into string. This is times. So we're going to display time or times depending on this value. So this, if it counts brackets equal to 1, so we're going to display time. That is all for this case study on counting the occurrence of each letter in a file. See you on the next video.